Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your laptop or desktop. So in this video, we will show you three methods. Using those three methods, you can fix the issue. So let's start the video and follow the steps. Okay, first click on hidden icon option, and as you can see, Bluetooth icon is not showing here. Even if you click on Wi-Fi, it is not showing here. So first we will add it. So click on pen icon and click on add, then add the Bluetooth from here. Maybe it will fix the issue. If not, then move to next method. Click on start menu and search services.msc. Okay, open services.msc. Once open, find here Bluetooth support services. So here we have Bluetooth support services. Right click and go to properties. If it is stopped, start it and select auto and apply and then OK. Maybe it will fix the issue. If not, move to third method. Right click on start menu, open device manager from here. Once open, so we have Bluetooth here, expand it. So Bluetooth driver is installed here. So first we will update it. Right click and try to update. Select the first option, it will search online and install it. Right click again and try to browse it from your desktop or laptop. Try to install it from here. If not, then restart it and check. Maybe it will fix the issue. If not, then try to uninstall it once from here. Right click and uninstall it and restart and check again. After restart, open device manager again and click on this option. It will search all the devices, and if not install, it will install automatically. So refresh 2-3 times. Let's check it again. So it is showing here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.